In Python, comments are lines of code that the Python interpreter ignores when running the program. Their purpose is to improve the readability and maintainability of your code, making it easier for you and others to understand what the code is doing. There are two primary ways to write comments in Python: single-line comments and multi-line comments. Single-line comments, the most straightforward commenting method in Python, are identified by the hash symbol at the beginning of the line. They are typically used for short explanations or notes related to specific lines of code. Any text following the hash symbol is disregarded until the end of the line. For instance, in the first line, the entire statement after hash symbol is treated as a comment and ignored during execution. In the second line, the assignment operation executes. Any text following the hash symbol is interpreted as a comment. This allows you to provide concise explanations without affecting the code's functionality. In PyCharm, you can easily comment a single line of code using a keyboard shortcut. By simply pressing Ctrl/ on PC or Command/ on Mac, the current line is toggled into a comment. This adds a hash symbol at the beginning of the line, which means it won't be executed when you run your program. To uncomment the line later, simply place your cursor on it again and press the same shortcut. Multi-line comments, also referred to as block comments, are a type of comment in programming that spans multiple lines, like so. They are enclosed within triple single quotes. These comments are frequently used for documentation strings, offering detailed descriptions for functions, classes, or modules. When using block comments, remember, unlike single-line comments, block comments can span multiple lines. To ensure proper termination, you must close the comment block with triple quotes. If you forget to close the comment block, all subsequent lines of code will be treated as comments and won't be executed. You have the flexibility to use either triple single quotes or triple double quotes for multi-line comments. Among the valuable uses of comments are TODOs, which serve as reminders for future improvements, optimizations, or pending tasks. When TODO is included after the hash symbol in a comment, many text editors and IDEs will highlight or color that line differently. Even though TODO comments work just like regular comments and don't affect how the code runs, the color change acts as a flag, highlighting areas that need your attention for future improvements or modifications. Clarity. Comments explain the purpose of specific code sections, complex logic, or non-obvious variable names. They enhance code readability for everyone, including your future self. Documentation. Comments serve as built-in documentation within your code. You can use them to describe functions, classes, or overall program logic. Collaboration. When working on projects with others, comments become crucial. They allow team members to understand each other's code and make modifications more easily. Debugging. Comments in code are used to temporarily disable certain lines without deleting them, which is particularly useful during debugging. By adding a comment symbol before a line, the interpreter skips its execution. This technique allows developers to examine specific code sections without losing the deactivated code. Once debugging is finished or the temporary change is no longer needed, the comment can be removed to restore the original functionality. Write clear and concise comments that offer useful information without extra words. To reduce the need for lots of comments, use clear names for variables and functions. Keep comments up to date with the code. Make sure to update related comments if you change how the code works. Avoid commenting obvious or self-explanatory code unless necessary. Comments should add value to the understanding of the code.